Multiples. In this module, you will learn multiples and common multiples. Sophie is selling some candles made by an NGO in the school fair. Sophie has a few packets containing 3 candles each. She is counting the total number of candles that she has. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, and so on. Do you know what these are? This is the table of 3, and all these numbers are the multiples of 3. We get multiples of a number by multiplying the number by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and so on, all come in the multiplication table of 3. So, all are multiples of 3. As 3 comes in the multiplication table of 3, so 3 is a multiple of itself. Also, every number is a multiple of 1, as all numbers come in the multiplication table of 1. Here, you can also see that all the multiples are greater than 3. So every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number itself. We can find endless multiples of a number. Sophie decided to sell each packet for 6 rupees. Then, she tried to calculate the total money she will get on selling all the packets. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and so on. All these numbers are multiples of 6. Do you see any common number between the multiples of 3 and 6? Here, you can see the numbers. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and so on are the multiples of 3 as well as 6. So, these are common multiples of 3 and 6. Let's recap. We get multiples of a number by multiplying the number by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. For example, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and so on are all multiples of 3. Every number is a multiple of itself. For example, 3 is a multiple of 3. Every number is a multiple of 1. For example, 5 is a multiple of 1. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number itself. We can find endless multiples of a number. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and so on are multiples of 3 as well as 6. So these are common multiples of 3 and 6.
For more such fantastic videos, follow Toppscholars.